Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the Kamikaze. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Vodka, I have here, hanger 1. Triple sec, I have here, Heron Walker. And lime, 3 items. It's still time, let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a martini glass, a juice squeezer, a knife, and a jigger. First step, we're gonna chill our glass with ice and add water. Set the glass aside. Grab your lime and roll it. Cut the lime in half. Cut a little piece for the garnish. Set the limes aside. Grab your shaker and your juice squeezer. Set the lime like this. We will be squeezing half the lime into the shaker. Set the other half of the lime in the juice squeezer and squeeze half the lime. Next, grab your triple sec. We will be pouring 1 ounce of triple sec into the shaker. It's vodka time. Grab your bottle. Pour 1 ounce of vodka into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid and shake your drink. Now what we're going to do is empty the ice in this glass. Strain the drink into the glass. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, the Kamikaze. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.